Happy Halloween, everyone. Today we're going to be making some cute Halloween Rice Krispie treats, and I made a set of monster eyeball ones and then another set of these pumpkin shaped ones. And if you guys are making just one set of Rice Krispie treats today, combine this entire recipe into one. I split mine into two so that I can get both of these done. Right here, I started off by melting 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter on medium heat, and once you see it starting to bubble, go ahead and turn it down to low because you do not want that butter to burn. Once that butter is melted, go ahead and add in 5 ounces of marshmallows, and remember, if you guys are doing this as just one set of Rice Krispie treats, you're gonna do 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 10 ounces of marshmallows. Let those melt in with the butter on low heat. You don't want them any higher because you do not want that flavor to change or the marshmallow mixture to start to brown at all. Go ahead and add in half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and just stir again to combine everything. Once your mixture is completely combined together and those marshmallows are all the way melted, go ahead and turn that stovetop off or that heat off, and you're gonna add in your gel food coloring. I don't recommend adding the liquid kind because it will change the consistency of the marshmallow mixture. Now we'll grab our 3 cups of Rice Krispie treats, and you're just gonna pour that mixture in there and mix very well. Be sure if you guys plan on putting these in a molding pan or you want to shape them a certain way, that you do put them in that molding pan or whatever you're gonna use immediately, because Rice Krispie treats do tend to harden up, and as you can tell here, they are very sticky, so you do want to work with them right away while the entire mixture is still hot. Next, I repeated that same exact process for the pumpkin-shaped Rice Krispie treats. And as always, I'll have all the ingredients listed below in the description and on my website at sarahsbites.com if you guys wanted to just read those off or print them off, whatever you prefer. I used this square little molding pan and just used a pumpkin-shaped cookie cutter to make mine into little pumpkins, and as you can tell right here, they were a little bit harder to actually dig out of that pan because I waited maybe about 20 minutes and left them in that pan. So this is why I was recommending do them while they are fresh. They are much easier to work with. And if you guys have problems with the Rice Krispie treats being sticky, one trick I learned over the years is just wet your hands with water, and it does help a lot, especially right here where I was actually molding them into the eyeballs. I ended up finding some cute eyeball-shaped icing hard candy at the grocery store and just stuck those in the middle and then used red icing to do the blood vessels around to sort of make them look like monster eyeballs. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more recipe videos, consider subscribing to my channel. And big props to my friend Duran, who actually shot the photos for this video. We did a mini photo shoot that day that we made these, and he did an awesome job at taking pictures of these. Thanks for watching, everyone, and happy Halloween!